Investing in real estate has been considered as one of the best ways to build wealth and secure financial stability. From generating passive income to benefiting from tax advantages, real estate offers numerous perks that makes it an attractive investment option. So let's explore or look at the 10 amazing benefits of investing in real estate and why you should consider adding it to your investment portfolio. The number one is steady cash flow. Real estate investments can provide a consistent and reliable stream of income, especially if you invest in rental properties. If you have rental properties as an investor, trust me, you have money coming in by the end of the month for you. So this is why it is considered as one of the best investments ever. So number two is appreciation. Of course, over time, real estate tends to increase in value, offering potential for significant appreciation. So the value of houses go up, the value of lands go up, the value of properties goes up. So this is where appreciation comes in. So as an real estate investor, be sure of appreciation whenever you know that you are sure that you buy a good property. So the next one is tax advantages. Real estate investors can take advantage of several tax benefits that are not available to stock or bond investors. So when it comes to tax, there's so many advantages when it comes to owning real estate, because unlike the stocks or bonds investors, you don't have all these advantages. So but for real estate a guy, you have all the advantage at your own disposal. The fourth one is leverage. You can purchase real estate by using borrowed funds, allowing you to control a larger asset base than you could with your own money alone. Yes, with this now you have leverage. You can borrow money from the bank and buy a real estate, flip the houses, make your own money, return back the bank's money. So there's so many and ton of ways in this. Just like I just said now, leveraging. So there's so many ways out there. You just have to explore all your options and know which one is good for you. So the next one is inflation hedge. Real estate often acts as a hedge against inflation, protecting your purchasing power. Real estate beats inflation. The price of goods and services go up because of inflation. At the same time, the price of houses and rent go up based on inflation. So you as a property owner, be ensured that you are beating against inflation, because the moment price of goods goes up, the same thing, houses goes up. So it beats against inflation. That's one of the benefits of it. The next one is diversification. Adding real estate to your investment portfolio diversifies your assets and reducing risk. So as an investor of any level, try incorporating or try adding real estate to your investment portfolio, because it's a great benefit which will pay off with time. The seventh one is control over investment. Unlike under investment, real estate allows you to have direct control over your assets. So with real estate, you have control over your assets. Nobody is helping you to manage it. It is there. It's physical. You are seeing it. You are seeing your properties, your tenants, everything. You're just seeing it. So you have total control over whatever you own when it comes to real estate. So number 8 is a tangible asset. Real estate is a physical, tangible asset that you can see and touch. Unlike stocks, crypto, and bonds that you are just seeing over the internet. But with real estate, you can see it. You can go there, feel your property and all of that if you want to. So it's a tangible asset. The ninth one is a passive income potential. So real estate has a passive income potential. It can provide passive income, which requires minimal effort to maintain one's sector. With passive income, with real estate, you can earn passive income from rentals, from leasing, from wholesaling, from reseller finances. So with real estate, you have tons of ways to make money passively there. So the 10th and final one is community impact. Investing in real estate allows you to positively impact communities by providing quality housing and improving neighborhood. So real estate, trust me, you as an investor, you're developing communities because you provide shelter, housing for people. If you are providing housing for immigrants, for people to rent, move to a new apartment. So you as an investor, you are imparting to the community at a large. So real estate investing offers numerous advantages. making it a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. From generating steady cash flow, enjoying tax benefits to leveraging your investment and diversifying your portfolio, the benefits are substantial. By understanding these advantages, you can be sure to make an informed decision and take steps towards securing a financial future through real estate investing. So if you have any question, please comment below and we'll respond to you ASAP. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up to help with YouTube algorithm so it will push it out to people who are still looking for content like this. Thanks and bye for now.